What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. If you want something done right, then do it yourself. So in this video we will see a paint sprayer machine by Build Skill Pro, everything about it. First let's unbox the product and have a look at it and its accessories. We get the motor cover and the model number of this machine is BPS 1200 and has an 800 watt motor. That means it is a powerful spray machine. On the front side at the top there is on-off switch with an LED indicator. At the bottom there is a hole to connect the air hose tube. It comes with a 1.8 meter wire with 2-pin plug. Next we get his paint container. The build quality is wonderful and its capacity to hold the paint is 800 ml. Next we get is the gun body. Shoulder strap, viscosity measuring cup, air hose, and at last, as usually, instruction manual and pin for cleaning its nozzle. Now let's see how to assemble it. First attach the paint container to the spray gun and tight it properly. Insert the hook of the shoulder strap on one side of the motor cover and similarly do on another side. Now next step is to insert the one end of the air hose onto the motor cover as shown in the video and the other side on the spray gun and tight it properly. And that's it. Now this machine is ready for painting furnitures, doors, windows, walls, ceiling and so on. The volume of the paint sprayed is easily adjustable from this screw on the gun. Completely close fluid adjusting screw. By turning this clockwise, it allows the maximum paint flow, and while turning the adjustment screw anti-clockwise, the flow of the paint will be decreasing. Adjust it according to your requirement. Now let's operate. I have to paint this plywood with primer, so let's check how its result will come out. I am using Asian Paint wood primer, white enamel and tarpaulin oil to paint the plywood. Firstly, we must check the viscosity of the paint. Put the viscosity cup into the paint and pull out. The run out time of the paint should be 25 to 60 seconds. Then pour the paint into the container and attach it to the gun. Now connect the air hose pipe, one end with motor cover and other to spray gun. Before start painting, here are some important controls of this machine. This spray gun has 3 different spray patterns: horizontal, vertical and round. To adjust the spray pattern, loose the air cap ring and adjust the position. With this position, the spray pattern will be horizontal. For this position, the spray will be in round pattern, and for this pattern will be vertical. Now let's start painting this plywood. While painting, keep the strokes smooth and at even speed. The distance between the painting surface and the gun should be 8 to 12 inches. While using, if spray becomes uneven, then open the spray nozzle and clean the spray ball with the needle. With this machine, it is very easy to paint as compared to conventional methods, and it saves a lot of time. In less than 2 minutes, I have completed one side. This is a helpful tool for DIY people who love to work done by themselves. After finishing the paint, you must clean the spray gun thoroughly. First clean the paint container, put a little tarpaulin oil and shake it well and then throw it out. Then again fill it with tarpaulin oil and clean water for water-based paint and run the machine until the clear fluid is spraying out. So that is all about this spray machine by Build Skill Pro. For any queries, do comment. Meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.